What's up, everybody? It's Peter and welcome to our channel. And today it's a nice weather. We are at a park riding our one wheels. We're going uphill. He kind of speeded up a little bit. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, we're really enjoying weather like that here in Alaska because summertime is pretty short, and if we got opportunity to ride it, why not? Peter, slow down a little bit. It's kind of a little bit freaked me out when he tried to push it close to a 20. If you saw my previous video, you know my son with autism. And today I was gonna talk about autism and one wheel. Some people is gonna think that something is gonna go together. Actually, the way I see it, Peter, slow down a little bit. Like my son with autism, and one wheeling, it's good for him, you know. He is more concentrating on road, on his riding style. He more, in the same time, he actually more calm down. He relaxing, but in the same time, like I said, he's concentrating for what he's doing. I think slow down. Actually, it's the first time we're going from this downhill with him. It's kind of steep hill, downhill, but it's and it's really short. Also, here's a nice uphill, same thing, really steep and it's kind of short, probably like 20 to 30 feet long or so max, but it's steep. If I was on a future motion board, I will never make it. GT XR never make it. VESC with Superflux high torque motor. This board is really monster. His board, it's 18S 2-piece with hypercore motor. Pretty much is a GT in a XR skin. You not really can call that because GT, actually I don't like that platform. It's a XR with GT battery and with VESC controller. It got much more power, faster speed, better torque. All around it's much better board than GT.